Ladies and gentlemen, introducing on stage. If your hands are not too busy, give it up for MC Passion, aka Titles of the Flatman.
My guys, what's up? Then get money. If not be say people who borrow money never pay me back. Who be Dangote now? To the Chris. That's what's up. Oh my God. If not be say the best for this country. When I know say the person who don't work pass for this government na Buhari pilot. That man don't travel. At the plane may not get plane crash. Man, I pray for Buhari pilot. Oh. Then they wake up for midnight. You say what happened? They say 1 year no work. I very appreciate it. Person where borrow shoe go party no they dance anyhow. Person where they push no they select toilet. Anyone where they show you do okay. Who they push no they walk fast. As in they show you toilet. Now you go to tell the person. Do you want tissue? Just wait. I know what is wrong with me. I'll call you. I'll call you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy to be here. I'm going to talk any. People now, the anger where people get now, they direct and go Instagram. Get people they load 1,000 naira data to frustrate people online. Don't try and go post any picture. You go heal yourself too much. Person go bring you down in 2 seconds. Or una no dino me lie now. When they don't say no get certificate. Now they frustrate. I go back in school, go collect certificate. Where matriculation can come back. Wait for just go as JJ. Now you go post. God pass man. Now somebody reply and man pass exam. Nigerians no get joy. Oh. When this pastor get problem with Timmy Dakolo wife, that same week, now he post year 2019, my year of testimony. Somebody reply and you testify in court. They need to follow you laugh. Oh. Nowadays, the people they graduate, they write something for their clothes. They write different things. One get graduate, right? This Malian is not a graduate. Somebody reply, you're not a true Malian. True Malians don't graduate, we drop out. Then they laugh with you. One guy posts, I sell bespoke shoes. I make these shoes myself. Patronize Nigeria. Now somebody tell her, now wow, they don't tell me, say, you know, they're not going to let you talk 2 minutes for Benin. They'll spray you. Oh God. They won't use my name, bend my throat. They get money. Then they crash. Huh? Yellow fever spray me for Benin. You see? Prosper, I live and forget. What in concern get man with Baba? We know they the same level. Then they don't see where they spray Baba money. I mean, oh, I go crazy. Oh God, my brother, God will bless you. If you be chief, police no catch you. Oh God, which are they talk before? The guy post you. He said I sell bespoke shoes. Now somebody tell him, how much is this shoe? Don't tell me to check DM. Tell me here. No, so normally they will say check DM. Now the guy say the shoe is 30,000. Now the guy tell him, can I take it for 15,000? Now the guy reply, sorry, we don't sell one leg. 9 people say, but you say tell me here. Yeah, it's here now. People that wicked online though. I tell you. Now, big brother don't go, big brother don't go. I want you to make Nigeria forget government too. After I just finish, people will come back. There's no light, pothole in this country. You don't know before. As a messenger, make people forget Buhari for 3 months. My brother, anything we get hold and title, bad behavior they help now. Bad behavior open door for Thatcher. CC, then go wait for airport, say they go beat and say they insult man. When CC see waiting Thatcher, they take people how they see. CC see now, wow, people get bad behavior. Is that when I say mercy for airport? The doctor will do that and try. If they do yash, they greedy. So guys will do yash, go like say they are yash stand on top canopy. No, they greedy. And if you do yash, no enter public transport oh. Go enter Danfo. Because the chair will full and no be chair will come from abroad. As they call it, they hand over to weather. And so when weather you do chair, they get much good to go. They don't they drive like this. 1 driver enter port and they hear poor. Now they say, it's my yash. As the Nyash bus driver started to panic, you don't know what he go do. No, my tire bus, where did they carry the Nyash go? Now for organizer. Now they tell the guy, what do we do? The guy say, I don't know, I don't want to die. They carry and go for organizer. They so in yash. They call the pump am. They come and the guy say, if engage, me let them know. Now the guy say, I don't know the gauge of my yash. When I like rubbish. Inspired by this. Now this person make me think this is a joke. Mr. Paul. Now, our money just this spiritual. I don't know. Our money no waiting they go like 50K in the morning. If you don't get what you want to do with it, just put that for bank. I swear, we draw 50,000 tomorrow before 5. You go remain do 5. You go, you're day nice. You go day nice to anybody when they come your way. Anybody will bring problem, you got to solve that problem. You got to see solve me, you go say that's no problem. And not be only Nigerian money they frustrate too. Get what we do me last a year plus. Somebody send me a message on Instagram. My brother, if they won't give you money where you don't know the country, ask for 2,000 where you understand. At least you know say this one go 2K go do something. They send me a message for Instagram. Say we've heard about you that you're a very good comedian. I say yes. They say we are coming to Lagos Sheraton. We want you to MC our program. As they enter, they tell me say how much I go take. When they change money, they will pay me for naira. I say they don't know our money. I say how much you want change? They say 600 billion Uzbekistan sum. First of all, 1 billion supposed to make your ear shake. I say yes, it's 600 billion. I can't say these people change this money now. They're going to go meet 1 or 2 Nigerian people who are going to get them sense. Now tell them, can you pay me your currency? I say, sorry, let me talk to my boss. I don't know your currency much. Now you come back. Our budget is small. Please, can you do 6 billion? I said I will do it. That be the worst decision I make that day. IMC program 5 hours. They give me money for Ghana must go. I know if you carry them. Now Nigerian guys support me, carry and go boot. I give the guy 5,000 from Nigerian currency. Another mistake. As I won't go, gate man they look me, they ask me, say, sir, where are you taking from here? I suspect robbery. Now I say I need police. They say to take police to where I go change money, say na 15,000. I say I will pay. I pay police again. 15,000 naira. Another mistake. When I reach where they change money, Aboki seen me with Ghana must go, rush me, enter shop, give me chicken and chips with juice. I say this man knows my value. When Aboki asked me, Ghana pounds, I say I'm here with 6 billion Uzbekistan sum. Aboki say, okay, if I don't tell me for, I said, well, let your money there for wallet. I said, well, the money there where? I come with Ghana must go back with wallet. Are you okay? He said, okay, your money now 14.5. I said 14.5 billion. I said, okay, 14,500. I said, open your shop, thunder fire you because I don't be. I go another shop, they tell me 12.2. I said, this Aboki, the first Aboki they straightforward. I said, I'd rather die with my currency. As I go as 9 police stop me. You know, so when you see people who won't share your problem with you, go there happy. Police stop me, park! You get what you go tell police worldwide, the officer won't share money. As I say, park! Now I wind down and tell them, how many of you are on duty? Police say we are 4. I open booth, give their 4 1.5 billion. They start to shoot gun. Tawai! Ogana man, you be waiting you do for us. DPO never do amo. Because of you, I go resign, open shop for my wife. Inside my mind, no resign, no. But why? As they shoot gun, now I tell them, I've not been touched like this all my life by Nigerian police. Where's your DPO? They say the office. Now they run, go call them. They know they tell DPO the money name again. Now the billion big pass the money name. They all tell DPO 1.5 billion. DPO come out without shoe, lie down for me. I say, sir, stand up. You're protecting people. Don't do this. I give DPO 1.5 billion. DPO give me go, man, protect myself. I won't go. He said, I know go like that. So me they put siren and tinted glass. As I go now, I come back. I said, DPO, what you have done for me, I need to make you happy. Local, state, and federal. Where's IG? They say they Abuja. Say call IG. Now then go call IG. IG, somebody they bless us. Oh. As I follow talk, you don't give me and my boys 3 billion. Then they talk Uzbekistan. IG say give him the phone. Now I collect. Hello, good afternoon. IG say good afternoon, sir. I've heard what you have done. I say IG, you're working. I'm sending 2 billion through DHL. Hey, I'm coming to Lagos to pick it by myself. If I don't wait Abuja, collect the problem. IG go enter business class, airpiece, 80,000. Come Lagos. Then give her money, all of them pack themselves good. I just sleep, wake up, now see 45 missed call from DPO. I know the problem at the police station. Then call me and no pick. Then sentence, please pick, it's urgent. I no pick, then sentence, if you fear God, pick. I know say I fear God, now pick, hello. You know the way you don't cause problem, you go phone busy. Now pick, hello. They say, okay, now we are the police where you give money, oh, no. I say, please, can I call you back, I'm busy. Okay, you not feel busy, oh. DPO, they say hello. I say, what happened? IG lock ammo. The money where you give IG na 3-5 for come pay DPO. I love you.